Welcome to Simple English Channel. Stomachache conversation.
Mommy, I don't feel very well.
What's wrong, Susie? Didn't you have a good time at the birthday party?
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. But now my tummy hurts.
Did you eat too much food at the party?
I think so.
What did you eat?
Pizza, cake, ice cream and potato.
That is a lot of food.
I also had soda, cookies, and popcorn.
Sit here. Susie, that's why your stomach hurts. You ate too much. Why did you eat so much?
I was hungry and everything looked delicious.
Susie, you should take care of yourself.
Okay, Mommy.
Susie, where are you going?
I need to go to the bathroom.
Okay, my sweetie, I make green tea for you. Green tea is ready, dear. How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling better now.
Busy day cleaning.
Hi Sally, how are you today?
Hi, Lisa. I have so many things to do today.
What do you have to do?
I have to do several loads of laundry, vacuum the whole house, and clean the kitchen.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff to do. Why don't you do some of that tomorrow?
My mother-in-law is coming.
I completely understand.
She likes a very neat and tidy house.
I know what you mean. My mom is very clean and organized too.
I should have started a few days ago, but I was so busy at work.
Why doesn't your husband help you?
He did help me. He mowed the lawn, set up the guest room, and cleaned all of the bathrooms yesterday.
Wow, he did a lot too.
I also have to go grocery shopping.
What a busy day. Do you need any help?
No, that's okay.
I'm not busy today. I can help you.
Really, could you go grocery shopping for me? I already made my shopping list.
Of course, you can pay me back when I drop off the groceries.
Thank you so much, I really appreciate it.
That's why friends and neighbors are for.
Going to the mall. Hey, Susan, are you done with your final exams?
Yes, Jane, I had my last one this morning. How about you?
Yeah, I got done an hour ago.
Do you want to celebrate?
Sure, what should we do?
I don't know. Should we throw a party?
What if our friends are not done with exams?
Yeah, you're right. Do you want to go dancing?
I don't know how to dance.
You don't? It's easy, just move your body to music.
I look silly when I dance.
Me too, I don't care.
Let's do something else.
Okay, do you have any ideas?
Do you want to go see a play?
That sounds boring. I want to do something active.
I think we have different ideas of fun.
Yeah, how about shopping? Do you want to go to the mall?
I love shopping, let's do that, we can eat dinner there too.
Let's go then.
like this video. And subscribe my YouTube channel.